What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Still at the Citadel Mall. This place closes in like 15-20 minutes. Let's go see what's up at the Adidas outlet. It does look like it's taking an additional 50% off. They do have that very frequently at the Adidas outlet. It's probably going to be a quick trip because they close in 15-20 minutes. So let's see what's up. So it looks like all the Ultra Boost 2019s are not included in the current promotion, but they are going for 108. 108, which is pretty solid. Let's look at all the prices. Let's look at all the colorways. My bad. This rainbow colorway, I don't know what the hell color that is. This orange colorway going for 108. 108 for these bad boys. More 108 action. More of the same. Holy crap, they sure do have a lot of colorways. 108. 108. And 108 for those bad boys too. Damn, still going. More. These are going for 90. These are Ultra Boost reflectives. I really don't know the different models and stuff, but 90 bucks, man. But they only got size 7.5 and 8. 7, 7.5, and 8. I'm assuming this is the same as the one above. And yeah, they got 7.5, 9, 8, 11, 11.5. They got a few sizes going for 90 bucks. More Ultra Boost going for 90 bucks. Holy crap, there's a lot. 7, 7.5. 12, 8, 12.5. They got quite a few. These as well going for 90 bucks, man. Got some steals here, man. But these only have size 11, 12, 11.5, and 13s. More Alpha Bounce going for, dang, 50? Is that 50 off of 110? Holy crap. The hell's 50 off of 110? Damn, that's 55 bucks. That's crazy. These going for 55 as well. These Alpha Bounce. I said Alpha Bounce, Alpha Boost. And these Alpha Boost, I think this is the 2020 version, right? And these are already on sale. 150, 50% off, 75 bucks, man. Crazy. $120 for these Sense Boost. I think these kind of pretty much took the place of the Pure Boost. But yeah, these are the Sense Boost Goes going for 60 bucks. Got plenty of sizes. More Sense Boost Goes going for 60 bucks. Yeah, I got some more of those. I did buy these for my girl's pops, and he loves these. He's an older dude, but comfortable as hell, man. His first Nike Boost, I said Nike. His first Adidas Boost shoes, and he freaking loves them. Not bad. 60 bucks for these. Hell of a price. Marquee Boost going for 60 bucks. 60 bucks, not bad. Damn, the Dame 6s for 60 bucks? Or 55. Holy shit, that is crazy. 55 bucks for the Dame 6s. That is crazy, guys. They got size 8, 8.5, 11, 12. Pretty limited in sizes, to be honest. Hardened Volume 4s. These are the Star Wars ones. So $140. $140, get 50% off that, 70 bucks. Dude got suede right here. You got some suede material. Got that little gold, what is it? The lace, the lace locks things on the side. Yeah, I probably should know the terminology. But yeah, man, it's crazy. It's the Star Wars version. Yeah, 70 bucks. We got some more hardened. There's only a couple of size 7s. But yeah, man, these are going for what, 130? So 65 bucks, man. That's crazy. 65 for these. Only a few more sizes though. More hardened volume 4s. 65 bucks. Some more. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. The deals here are crazy. I'm not a huge fan of these hardened volume 4s, but plenty of you guys are, and they're hella cheap. Got another colorway. Holy crap, keep going. There's only a few of those though. Then we got, this is one of like the original colorways, right? Like the red, white, and blue colorway. But yeah, got more of these. What, 7, 7.5, what, 8.5, 12, 13, so a few sizes. Then the camo version, when you want to go hide somewhere, you can grab these bad boys. But yeah, 65 bucks. Night joggers going for 65. I've never seen one with the blue right there. That's interesting. 65 bucks. More night joggers these are going for 70. Well, these are going for 50. What the hell? Oh, I think a couple of them are priced wrong, because 100, and then all these are $130. Okay, yeah, try to get these for 100, guys. Yeah, these are pretty dope. This is like the 2020 Boost colorway, isn't it? Yeah, we got these going for 100, and I guess, yeah, no, these are going for 100 as well. So yeah, same colorway. Oh, they got a bunch of them too. Damn, all going for 100 bucks. 100 bucks, 50% off. 50 bucks, man. That's hella cheap. $50 for this colorway as well. More 50 action. Old school Stan Smiths going for $30, man. $30. I haven't worn. I used to have these, but I haven't had one of these in a minute. But $30, can't pass that up. But I'm gonna pass it up. But it's hard to pass it up. Continentals going for $30 as well. 60 with 50% off. That's crazy. More craziness. Yep, still crazy. $30. STADT. Well, I don't know what the hell that is, but man, look at that. Got some suede action. Going for $55. Only got a few left. More of those bad boys. We are in the women's section. And yeah, these bad boys these are the Ultra Boost 2019s going for 108. 2019s 108. Some more of those. Another colorway 108. Another colorway of those. 2019s going for 108. Another one for 108. Man, they got so many colorways. It's just crazy. Keep going. 108. 108 for these bad boys. 108. Then we finally got the Ultra Boost 20s, you guys. These going for retail, which is a $180. $180. They got the new purple colorway, or purple color of the Boost. But yeah, $180. That's way too high. Old school Ultra Boost going for $90. Dang, we still got a bunch of Ultra Boost 2019s going for 108. More for 108. Another one 108. Colorways just don't stop, you guys. 108. I think that's the last one. Got some more Stan Smith. This is in the women's section over 35. Dang, is that a little cheaper? Oh, but the material, man. This material is legit. That's some good ass material. Holy crap. For $35? That's crazy. EQT Gazelles. Oh man, these are terrible. But some people like those chunky sneakers though, huh? NMDs going for $65 in the women's section. More Stan Smiths going for what, $35? Crazy. Another NMD going for $65. $40 for the Superstar in the women's section. That's crazy. Some more Superstars. More $40. Night joggers going for $55. A bunch of the clothes. Seems like all the clothes pretty much 50% off. But yeah, it's like 2 minutes till, so I'm gonna head out, you guys, because this place is about to close. I gotta edit and I gotta go home. I gotta go home and edit a video. So let's wrap it up, you guys. Wrap it up. I can't even do an outro, you guys. The music's way too loud. So yeah, give me a sec. Thank you so much for joining, you guys. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed that visit. I haven't done an Adidas outlet video in forever, but yeah, I'm gonna try to start spreading the seed out and trying to do a little bit of different things. Don't forget to like the video, you guys, and don't forget to make sure you follow me if you're brand new to my channel. And yeah, thanks for supporting, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.